Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Serrano. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a pair of headphones, but make sure you guys stay locked in because these headphones have some really cool features that I want to jump into. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. All right, guys, so I actually want to see what comes inside of the box. You can see right here they have some really cool features that these things are going to offer, and so I just want to give you guys a quick glance before we get started. But it comes with the specs right here. In English, it's going to say that these are the Bluetooth right here version 5.3. They're going to have right here, it says 70 hours playtime, and with that's going to be with 70% of volume. They also have a battery capacity of 6,000 milliamp hours, and they do also have Type-C charging, and that's actually given in a variety of different languages. So I'm definitely looking forward to getting these things open. And as you can see, the packaging did kind of get a little destroyed during shipment, but anyway, we're going to go ahead and open it up. And then we're going to do a test with the microphones, a test with the overall fit and everything like that. I'm going to put this right off to the side right over here. And I have a device that I'm going to pair it to. So I'll just keep that in next to it. But the first thing you're going to be able to get when you're taking a look at these is you're going to get the Type-C short cable. You're also going to get the D05s right here, and these are going to be pretty cool because, like I said, they feature that spatial audio technology. And right here you're going to see that they're going to have right here the Type-C for charging, which is going to be included. And I'm trying to get a nice view here for you, but they're going to offer the Type-C charging. You can see that they have that button right next to it, which looks like the ANC, or let me see, that's like a power button. And then next to it is the volume rockers as well. And so let me just go ahead and show you guys what these pretty much will offer. But you can see right here they're pretty flexible. So they're pretty they have a lot of flex to it. I'm gonna put this off to the side. They also do come with this manual right here, which is basically giving you some stickers or something like that with the information about the headphones. So you get the information right here about the headphones. You also do get a bunch of stickers that you can use, and then you also do get the warranty card. So I'm definitely looking forward to taking a look at these in some more detail. You can see you do get adjustable head straps. You do get 180 swivel on here, so they can actually lock onto your chest or whatever. This is going to be the left side, which is going to house all your buttons, and so you can swivel it right here and keep it on your neck just like this. So I think that's going to be pretty cool when it comes to overall like comfort and stuff. So you can definitely wear them on your neck, and you can see the controls are on the left side right there. And so it's going to be pretty cool if you want to wear these while you're commuting without having them over your head. You could definitely get a nice comfortable fit around your neck, which is definitely going to be pretty solid with these. So overall, as far as the comfort, it's going to be pretty straightforward. But I actually just did notice that the cable that comes with these is actually like a it's a high quality cable, because it's like a braided cable for using this, and it has Type-C to 3.5 millimeters. So that's kind of cool, because I'm used to seeing the 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter. But one thing about these is that it's going to offer a Type-C to 3.5 millimeter cable. And so you can see that they have a nice fit around my neck. I actually want to get these paired up, but let me just show you guys what the cable is going to look like when you actually attach it to the earphones. So you get that chart thing right here for charging, right here, which is the type C cable, and you can actually put these right in here, and then you can also connect them to your device with the 3.5 millimeter cable as well. All right, guys, so basically what you want to do is power them on, and basically what you got to do is long hold the multifunction button right here for about 5 seconds. So this button right here, you just long press that for like a quick 5 seconds, and these are going to power on automatically. So you know, that's going to be pretty straightforward when it comes to turning them on. Let me put them back over my head real quick, and I'm going to turn these guys on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they make a beep sound, and I'm listening to them through the wired headphones. Just keep in mind, these will come with an app, and I'm going to actually pair these to the app or whatever, but they do give you that ability to listen to these with the wire. And one thing I noticed about listening to these with the wire is that they don't get that loud. Like, they're all the way up and they're not even that loud. So let me go ahead and download the app, and they sound good. It's just they don't get that loud with this wire, with the type C to 3.5 millimeters. So what I'm going to do is download the app and then pair these via Bluetooth and test out some of the features, and also let you hear the microphone quality. Okay. Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is the microphones on the Baseus Bowie D05s. So let me know if you can hear me clearly through the microphones. But I actually have a video right here lined up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some background noise on so you could kind of hear what it sounds like with some background noise in the environment, like a loud environment in New York City window. So let's hit play. So I've got that turned all the way up right now, and this is me talking with that speaker pumped at full volume. So you can see this is me talking with that speaker right here on my desktop setup at full volume. I'm going to actually bring it down a little bit slowly. This is halfway up, so this is how it would sound if the volume was halfway up. And then let me turn it all the way off. And this is me just speaking without any background noise. So let me know what you guys think about the Baseus Bowie D05s when it comes to the microphones, okay? But I definitely think that the Baseus Bowie D05 wireless headphones with 3D spatial audio are going to impress you when it comes to the overall features. They also are going to give the ability to connect to two devices simultaneously. So you get that option to actually switch between two devices while they're paired at a single time. And these things are going to give you 40 millimeter drivers, which is going to be giving you the ability to really be immersed with the music, and that spatial audio feature with the audio and the cinematic mode are going to be very good when you want to actually feel like you're in the environment that the music is playing in. And so I definitely think it all comes down to the price you're paying, which is $27. And so with the inclusion of the ability to have low latency gaming, 70 hours of battery life, spatial audio, and some really good levels of bass, and also customization of the EQ, you're going to get a really good, enjoyable, and pleasurable listening experience. So like I said, you can actually tailor the audio to make it sound how you want, with the option to mess around with the 3D spatial audio to be more immersed in your music. You also get Bluetooth 5.3 for quick connection and low latency, as well as 70 hours playback. With the 40 millimeter drivers, they're gonna actually bang heavy, and so I could definitely say that these are going to be a really solid pair of headphones. But let me know what you guys think about the D05s in the comment section, and I'm going to get right back with you later. Peace.